Ever wish you could sneak a peek at those Snapchat messages without letting the sender know? Well, today we're diving into some clever methods for reading Snapchat messages discreetly, all without triggering that dreaded open notification. Let's get started. First up is the airplane mode trick before opening a Snapchat. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access your phone settings. Activate airplane mode. This cuts off all internet connectivity. Then, open Snapchat and read your message. Once you're done, close the app completely, or swipe it up and away. Now, deactivate airplane mode. This should prevent the opened receipt from being sent. Be sure you completely close the app. Another helpful tactic is using the notification preview when a new Snapchat arrives. Don't open the app. Instead, simply swipe down from the top of your screen to see the message in your notifications. You can potentially see the entire message content, depending on character limits and your notification settings. Be aware that some messages are blocked from being previewed in notifications. Finally, if you happen to be a Snapchat subscriber, there may be features that are exclusive to subscribers. Keep in mind that these techniques may not always be foolproof, and Snapchat does update its app. Always respect the privacy of others.